¡Cambia tu actitud, demonio!
Debes salir de aquí. A casa. Sí, a casa.
¡Maldita sea! ¡Tengo que largarme!
¡Por favor! ¡No! ¡No me mates!
¡Oferta! ¡Me lo quitan de las manos! ¡No se aprenderá! ¡Dale duro! ¡No se aprenderá! ¡Pone! ¡No le dejéis hueco! No me duele el pellejo. Aquí no se te ha perdido nada. ¡No voy a disparar! ¡Vergüenza! ¡Dios, por favor! ¡Por favor! ¡Y sangra!
Fudged up on them up.
No way around. Get down.
Take them out!
You don't stand a chance!
Right side! They're coming from the water!
Crane's clear. Drop in the line. Let's go.
Reloading!
So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine,
These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. Truly, this really is a quite wonderful stadium, located here at the foot of the Alps. Rashford gets it back. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Sancho. What an adventurous run from a defender. In with a header! And yes, it's there! All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight.
Manchester United are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick.
Not bad, Tyler, but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads.
I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes rap cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Max this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You done the impossible, Jet. You shut up, Mac. I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Frost! Get switched on! We gotta move now!
feel you.
I'll tear you apart! Thanks! Least he died in action! Just get wrecked! You're gonna get it!
I need some cover! Some cover!
Move back!